Hi guys, it's Dahlia and Theo, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be sharing our little Barkbox for this month of March. We are super excited to show you guys what we got and to unbox this Barkbox. Right, Theo? Right? Pop up here? No? Show you guys what we got for March. Are you excited, Theo? Are you excited, my little handsome boy? Yeah. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Dahlia and this is Theodore, and welcome to your channel. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe if you like. Just hit the red button down below, and that is pretty much it, guys. So let's just get started with the video. Okay, and unbox this. This is Australian Outbark. So this is what the box looks like. Ooh, sorry, you want to be in the show? All right. So this is what the box look like, Australian Outbark, and I just like this, kind of like a sunset vibe going on here. What it looks like. Do you like it, Theo? Yeah? We're so excited to open up the goodies. We already opened the box just to let you know, because every time Theodore receives a little Barkbox, he gets so happy and really hyped up with his little new toys and new snacks and everything. So yeah, first thing that we got is a little card. It says our hearts are in Australia, and it's what it looks like. Here in the back, information about thank you for being the pack and donating and all that good stuff. So yeah, gives you a call us anytime, like call us anytime. You can like supervise when you're playing, when the toy is destroyed, make sure you throw it away and all that good stuff. Treats are for eating, toys is not for eating, so just make sure you supervise your puppy. Just a little information. And then here is the toys that you might receive for the Barkbox. Your doggy's badges. So here are the badges that shows on the back. First toy that he received is this little kangaroo. It is a small toy. This is what it looks like. You can actually a little pocket holder, so you can actually put treats inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little treat and see if Theodore is able to grab it. So there you go, a treat holder. Go ahead. It's right here. Look, your treat. Your kangaroo toy, Theo. So I think this kangaroo is really cute because it's like you can hold treats, you can squeak this, and you can play with it. I just like how it looks. It looks so adorable. Bless you. Peanut butter pinkish treats. This is a down under dog treats, and it's peanut butter recipe dog treats with carbo and vanilla. Wheat free, soy free, corn free, and grain free. And they're also made in USA, and it gives you a little bit of information like the proteins, the fat, the fiber, and all that good stuff. That's what it looks like. Yeah. Version, I always like to smell the treats. Smells good. Smells like peanut butter. Smell of it? No? Okay. Well, let's try one, Theo, because you love treats. This is peanut butter vanilla. Let's just say it's peanut butter vanilla. He likes his treats, alrighty. Peanut butter biscuits treats, he likes it. So I think this is his favorite treat so far. The next toy that he received is what it looks like. This is a cute toy. It's small, and this is a wombat toy too. It's cute. Oh, you got two toys. Look. Oh, I like this toy. This toy is really cute. I just like how it looks, the color, everything. It's just so cute. Very cute. The next treat that he received is this is sweet potato strips. It gives you like oh yes, you want some? So this is sweet potato strips, and this is actually made in Canada, 100% sweet potato, and it's grain free. It gives you a little bit, like I mentioned before, the proteins and everything behind, and it says well-being joy to fuzzy friend who left a small warm fart just for you on the bedroom pillow. They smell delicious. Damn, they're really hard to rip it into pieces, just to let you know, guys. Like it. He did not like his potato strips. He might eat it later, I'm not so sure. Next treat that he received is sweet potato. This is sweet potato recipe dog treat. I always like to donate these at Petco or like the Animal Foundation because I'm pretty sure other dogs might eat it. My dog doesn't eat it. That is pretty much it, guys. So he received 3 treats and 2 little toys. Right, Theo? 2 little toys. Favorite treats in this Barkbox month will be the peanut butter biscuits. For him, they're really good and they smell good, just to let you know. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.